You choose to pedal, to get to point B, to challenge yourself, to discover unfamiliar playgrounds, to be part of a tribe, to be part of a greener future. Your trusty bike is an extension of your body, and I'm here to give it superpowers you never knew it had. I'm SmartHalo 2. I'm lighter, slicker, leaner, and packed with new features. I'm still secured with an anti-theft locking mechanism, meaning you can always leave me on your bike. Yep, that's my signature halo and my new peak display. All the info you need at a glance. Need some help making it to your destination? Simply choose your favorite route type and we're good to go. Take a right here. Feeling adventurous? Use compass mode and find your own path. You made it. Want to push your limits? Follow your performance? And easily switch between metrics. Hey, it's getting dark. I'm turning the light on. I also make sure you don't miss important calls. Uh-oh, watch out, thunderstorming coming. Better pick up the pace. Yeah, I'm also connected to your smart home to make your life easier. I'm always on guard. If anyone tries something funny, I'll bark loud. I mean really loud. That's right. Walk away, chump. These guys are my creators. And after 25,000 units sold from the first generation, they've listened carefully to the feedback from cyclists to build something even better. In fact, you asked for a lot, and they've delivered. I have over 30 improvements over my predecessor. I'm SmartHalo 2, and I can't wait to ride with you.
With the Neo Smart, we have set a new benchmark by creating the most silent, most powerful, and most accurate trainer available. These attributes contributed to a road feel that had never previously been experienced. This benchmark is about to be taken to the next level. Introducing the Neo 2. We have completely redesigned the internal electronics. A new, highly improved, faster chipset allows for a smoother and more responsive control of the Neo motor. This results in a quieter cycling experience and paves the way to new, immersive features. By adding a capacitive left and right detection sensor, the trainer is now able to measure the exact position of both your legs. This allows for a detailed and accurate pedal stroke analysis, enabling you to improve your power distribution and cycling performance. We have given the Neo 2 a more vivid appearance by adding a bright touch of color to its outer housing. And in doing so, we proudly acknowledge another leap forward in trainer technology.
Let's ride. Be seen, be safe. As a cyclist, that's a pretty good motto. And lights built right into a helmet, now that's a sight to see. High and bright, all the better for eyes on the road. And yeah, these LEDs do turn signals. Click the remote, or check this. Apple Watch, gesture recognition. You do the hand signal, Apple Watch does the thinking, and LUMOS does the blinking. Automatic warning lights are pretty handy too.
Hey, Nice helmet.
Thanks. You'll get that too.
LUMOS even syncs with Strava and your iPhone's activity tracker. Whether you ride the night or ride the day, be seen, be safe with LUMOS.
The TrolleyTote is a clever, folding rear basket with wheels and extendable handle that's perfect for around-town shopping and running errands by bike. The TrolleyTote unfolds from its flat storage profile and locks securely to form a durable, large-capacity basket. A telescopic handle fully extends, while quiet rubber trolley wheels allow easy handling in the grocery store or market. The TrolleyTote is MTX QuickTrack compatible for secure slide and click mounting and removal on all Topeak MTX racks. An optional cargo net easily clips to the TrolleyTote to keep cargo secure while cycling.
Meet ELEMNT. Let's face it, setting up most bike computers sucks. It's like trying to send a text from an old flip phone. There's a better way. We all know it. And the good news is, you already own it. ELEMNT uses the power of your smartphone to take the pain out of the typical setup process. So all you have to do is download an app, scan a code, and you're off and running. Set up different workout pages, connect to your favorite cycling platforms, pair other devices, go nuts. If you use apps, you already know how to do this stuff. So let's move on to the ride. ELEMNT is all about simplicity. You'll notice this the minute you power it up. What's with the grayscale display, right? We admit it. Color looks cool, but not when it's bright out. In high glare conditions, you need contrast. Contrast ELEMNT's large 2.7-inch display can deliver in any lighting conditions. Now, let's talk about how the data is presented. Whether you're navigating through traffic or mocking down an open road, your eyes should be focused on what's ahead, not on trying to read your display. So we designed some really cool ways to make it easy for ELEMNT to provide you with the info you need in just a glance, like the ability to zoom in and out of data fields. Want to focus on power? Boom. Power and cadence, boom, boom. The whole enchilada, boom, boom, and boom. Or what about an entirely new way to communicate with your bike computer? Like programmable LED indicators that let you know when your heart rate, speed, and power are above or below your averages. ELEMNT can even alert you when someone's trying to reach you, or give you a heads up when you need to turn. Which brings us to navigation and the whole GPS thing. Because ELEMNT is wireless, it's always syncing, acquiring, and pushing data around. And a lot of this data happens to be routes. Local routes, distant routes, virtual routes, all of which you can load and share without ever needing to plug in a USB cord. Want to relive a route? Pull it from your ride history. What about that KOM you posted on Strava? ELEMNT can tap past rides and post new ones back to Strava when you crush them. Yeah, you can even take outdoor rides indoors when it gets too nasty out. Well, you know we were going there. Of course, ELEMNT gives you full control over kicker when you need to bring the suffering inside. With the ability to control resistance with levels, ERG mode, or simulated routes, you can make life as miserable as your lactic threshold can handle. Look, we could go on and talk about other features like the ability to find friends with live tracking or compatibility with Wahoo's complete cycling ecosystem, but we know that this is a product video. Of course, we're gonna hype ELEMNT. But we also know some chain ganger is in his basement right now unboxing this thing. He's gonna post something to YouTube. There will be likes, there will be hates. What there won't be, though, is a feature-rich GPS bike computer on the market that is as powerfully simple as ELEMNT.